Hi, my name is Ally Keegan, and I'm a criminal defense attorney at the law office of David Shapiro in San Diego, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. I am here today with Elisa Rodriguez, one of our legal assistants, to talk about rap sheets, what they do, what they show, and really what they are. So, Elisa, let's start with the basics. When we talk about rap sheets and stuff, it's kind of a colloquial term, but what's actually on a rap sheet?
Sure. So a rap sheet is synonymous with a criminal history report. So your criminal history report would have listed any arrests, any cases, any convictions, probation violations, parole violations, expungements, and anytime you are fingerprinted for for example, for a job or security clearance, that would be listed on your rap sheet, which is also known as a criminal history report.
And what are the most common reasons that people kind of end up in situations where they need to know what their rap sheet shows and what it says?
Sure. So the most important reason why somebody should know, or a couple of important reasons why somebody should know what is on their rap sheet, is either if you are applying for a job, if you are applying for a security clearance, or to even a clearance to volunteer at your child's school, you'll need to know what's on the rap sheet. Also, if you're applying for Section 8 housing, or anytime you need to explain your criminal history.
So you had mentioned that it's in all of those situations, it's handy to know what's actually on that background check. How would someone go about getting a copy of it so they can review it themselves?
Sure. So one of the first ways that I would suggest, obtaining a rap sheet or your criminal history report is through contacting a local, well-versed, experienced attorney. They can walk you through obtaining a rap sheet through either a live scan service provider, or you can contact the California Department of Justice to obtain your criminal history report.
And I think once, let's say you get the report and maybe you need an attorney to help you read it and understand what it actually says, but why is it so important to check it ahead of time if you are trying to get Section 8 housing or apply for a job or anything like that? Why is it so important to make sure you understand what's on it?
Absolutely. So most commonly, we have clients who may feel or may think that they have more convictions than they actually do, or most people don't look at their rap sheets. But you do need to know what's on the rap sheets because they are not always 100% accurate. If your rap sheet is not accurate and your criminal history report is incorrect, then you'll want to have it corrected because you want to know what employers are saying, what they're looking at, and if something's wrong, you're the best person suited to know that.
And that's why we as a criminal defense firm can really come in and help for a couple reasons. One, let's say you have a case in court and you have a conviction, it gets reported to the DOJ, which is the Department of Justice, and that's what generates your criminal history reports. Sometimes the court doesn't report what happened correctly, and your rap sheet can actually be wrong. And as criminal defense attorneys, we can help walk you through how to actually correct it so that if there's something more serious on your background check than is actually legally correct, we can help you amend it so you can figure out how to make sure it's reflecting what actually happened. And sometimes if you do have an actual conviction, you might want to seek other relief like expunging it or cleaning up your record altogether to really improve those employment prospects or whatever else you're trying to do down the road to set yourself up for success in the future every step of the way. So if you are looking to get a new job, looking to get better housing, trying to get security clearance, or work at a daycare, anything like that, and anything in between, and you want to understand what your criminal history report may show, how you can clean it up, and what options you might have moving forward, go ahead and give us a call. Our phone number is 619-295-3555.